All right, so I'm going to give you a quick little rundown on Windows 10, a couple of the features and things that you'll see right away when you log in. So the first time you log in, you will need to use that password that the district has given you. Once you sign in, you will want to go ahead and change that password. Just hold down Control Alt Delete. Right here, you'll just click on Change Password, and you'll go in and change your password to whatever password you would prefer for that. Once your password is changed, that password will apply to your Google account. It will also apply to logging into your computer and your BT account. So all three of those will be affected immediately. So if you have your email on your phone or other things like that, you may need to update that after you change it. On your desktop, the district that has been working on it, the different people, will already have installed certain things for you. They should have your NetDocs linked up and some of your basic items here. Depending on if you want to use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, that's up to you. So just kind of play around with which one you want. You'll notice down here on the bottom, it looks a little bit different. You actually just have this generic search bar that will come in here, and it will always be there. You can just start typing. If you notice here at the top, you can type just and search everything. You can search apps, documents, web, or even there's some other things. If you want to just search specifically, all you have to do is start typing in. I'll just type the word the classroom. I just started there and already came up with for best results. You can see these are web results. And over here on the left side or right side, it has different things right from the internet. That is going to search it in Microsoft Edge with the Bing browser. So just be familiar with that, and it's not a big deal. That will be out there. If for whatever reason, if you don't like having that out, you can actually take that off by right clicking down here, and you will find some options here. So we have different toolbars and things like that. So our search right now, we have show search box. You can also make that hidden if you'd prefer. This next one right here, if you're not familiar with the Windows Cortana, it's kind of like the Siri or Alexa of Windows. And that's what this little circle right here is next to it. If you hover over it, it says talk to Cortana. That gives you voice command access. If you're not a fan of that type of stuff, again, you can right click and you can just hide that little button so you never even worry about it. And then it's really easy to work with. So those are some of your main things. And when you come into your start menu, it's going to look a little bit different as well. It's just set up in alphabetical order by the app. And again, you can, once you click on that, you can just instantly, if you notice that it will actually put a cursor down here in the search box, you can just immediately start typing then as well, and it will start to pull up. So if I just start typing Google, again, there's my app, and then there's the web searches, other things I most visited, and different things I can open. So that's just your basics right away, right out the gate. In here, if you click on this arrow, here's my volume. I always like having my volume icon down here as well. So that's the Dell Audio. Here's just my generic volume. I can move that up or down very easily. That's microphone access. If you do have access to microphone, it's just giving you information there. And then there's a couple other features as well. Windows does also have a little notification window that will be utilized here. It will kind of give you some different settings and things you can work with. Sometimes you'll see a little like number 1 with a little red circle around it that will show like you have a notification. You don't have to worry so much about those, but they will come up every once in a while. So take a moment and get comfortable and start to learn. Really, there's not a lot different from Windows 7. It's just more where things are at. You still have your folder down here. That will have your desktop downloads, documents, and everything like that. So that's the same as in Windows 7. You can very quickly in and out of that folder, or you can also search right from the toolbar.